Hi and welcome to the channel. This is our 2014 F-150, and while we love the truck, it does have one flaw, and that is the factory running boards. This model has the tubular side step style, and while they look cool, they're actually really slick and slippery, especially up here in the Minnesota winter. You get snow, ice, moisture on there, and they become really slick. Basically, they are this aluminum bar, and on the top, all they have is this piece of plastic, and yeah, there's really no texture, no grip to it, and it gets really slippery. So I found a way to fix that for under $30. Let me show you what we did. So basically what I came up with, I found on Amazon Gorilla anti-slip tread tape. Basically you can get a roll of 10 feet for under $15, and I'm going to show you what I did. So I'm sure there's a lot of different ways you could apply this tape, but basically what I'm going to do is cut out strips and apply them on the raised portion of this plastic cover here. Now the instructions for the tape say that you should have the temperature be above 39 degrees when you apply the tape. It is January in Minnesota, so I did have to get the space heater out to get my garage warm enough to do this. And I also used the air hose to make sure the surface was nice and dry. So first thing I did is I cut strips that were about 5 inches in length. And then once I had a template made, just put that on the new material, trace it out, and cut out your new piece. Another step I did to make sure the material was warm enough too is I use a heat gun just to warm up this plastic cover a little bit. Now the adhesive they use on this product is super strong, so you want to make sure your pieces are lined up exactly right and right where you want them to be before you put them into place. Once it's lined up, just press firmly down on the tape and you should be good to go. And after you've done a couple of these, you get the hang of it pretty quick, and the whole process goes by pretty fast. All right, we're halfway done with this side. I'll show you what it looks like. This is the finished side, and this is what it looks like from the factory. So far I actually like how it looks. It has this little sparkle to it, and it looks half factory. I think this middle section I'm just going to leave as is. We don't really step there. We kind of step on that section when we're getting into the driver's side, and then the passengers tend to step on that back section. So I'm going to finish up this back section, and then we'll let you know how it turned out. I'll put a link to my Amazon store in the description of the video for this Gorilla tape. If you were to buy it through my link, I'd get a little something, not a whole lot, but it would be appreciated. All right, so this is what the final project looks like. Yeah, overall, I am pleased with how it came out. Hopefully we'll get some snow here in the next couple days, and I'll give you an update on how it's working out. So we had a couple of weeks to check out our results, and so far, so good. The side steps have seen ice, snow, salt, and temps ranging from 32 degrees all the way down to -12. All the pieces have 100% stayed in place, and the extra grip has made a night and day difference. And the whole project cost less than $30. So overall, pretty happy. Once again, thanks for watching, and we will see you next time.